Alrighty traders, I have a story I want to tell you right now and why there should be a time to eject from the markets. And I think this may help you or maybe not, depending on what side you're on in the markets right now. But what I want to share with you today is a conversation that I had with a particular gentleman yesterday that we can see that, actually, let me just bring this up here. By the way, guys, you see the stock market? it just won't go down, will it? But it will eventually. Right? I'm laughing because I'm just like... Anyway, so I want to tell you about a conversation that I had yesterday when it comes to... Let me just make sure everything is working pretty well on your end here. Okay, cool. All right, so cool. All right, so let's actually do this here. So I want to share a conversation with you. So yesterday, as you guys know, I have a free trading course that I give away. That first thing in the description, you can grab access to that. Also, if you want to become a private client of mine where you're actually with me every day, you see what I'm doing in the market, I'm coaching you every day. That's second link in the description there, okay? Anyway, so I had someone recently fill out that application form that you're going to fill out today, right? In that second link in the description. And so what ended up happening was I was talking to him, okay? And I started getting to know more about his story and what he's doing and so on and so forth. And this is what made me prompt to do this video. It's like, it's time to eject. One thing I was talking about with this particular gentleman, he goes, oh, John, he said he's only been involved with the actual markets now for 2 to 3 months. And, you know, he's got that little... Like, you're not like, I'm the best, right? This is easy, right? For you guys been around the markets for a few years or more, you've probably been there at least once, right? Where things are going well, or you might be getting in just in the right timing, or you may have just gotten lucky, right? And you start to do, easy. This is easy, yeah. Let me go mortgage the house now. I can make millions and millions in 24 hours, right? I'm the king, right? And you get this little cape on your shoulder, right? Like, you know, the cape. Put the cape on your shoulder. Put the cape down. Throw your ego out the window. Stay humble. From a 20-year trader who trades the market every day, and exactly what I was actually telling my clients today. It's like, it doesn't matter how much money I make. I need to go and just be humble with what I'm doing. Anyway, so I was talking to this gentleman, and what was happening was he actually said he's been involved with the markets now for 2 to 3 months. He said he came in and he said just bought all these stocks, and obviously he's making a lot of money, right? Because obviously the markets have gone up for the last 2 to 3 months, and he's just capitalizing on this big bull market. He's like, oh, John's trading easy, oh, you know, and he was like saying, and this is where like. And he goes to me, he goes, oh yeah, I just been buying all these stocks. He goes, I'm sure you're doing the same thing, right, John? Now, he's been trading the markets for 2 to 3 months. I've been trading the markets for 20 years. Now, see, it's like, I'm sure you're doing the same, right, John? Like, I'm sure you're capitalizing on all this profit, right? Little chip on his shoulder, right? So here he is, 2 to 3 months in this industry. And with this very egotistical attitude he had, he was very like, you know, like, I know, you know, I'm sure you're doing the same, right? Like, he's trying to tell me what to do, how to trade the markets. And I said to him, I said, I'm going to say something to you right now, and you're probably not going to like it, but you will remember my name and you'll come back to me in 12 months time frame asking for help. I said, if you keep up that attitude that you are right now, the market is going to give you the biggest humble pie you have ever seen. And not only are you going to lose that profit that you've made so far, because you were so good at trading, you just bought anything. Well, actually, really, he just really went long some of the actual AI companies, right? Because they were the hot thing, and he's bought them and they're going up. Right? I was like, oh, trading's easy, right? And I said, the market's going to give you probably one of the biggest humble pies you've ever seen. You're probably going to lose, you're probably not only going to lose all the profit you made, but you're going to lose a lot of money. And then you're going to come back to me in 12 months time frame saying, John, I should have listened to you. I said, but for now, I know that's just words for you. Because you're right now, you're the cats, ducks, the bees and these, the guy with the cape on, right? Superman, right? You're Superman right now. And again, guys, you guys been around for the markets, right? You guys know, right? It's like, respect the market, right? Respect the market and respect that. And so I wanted to do this video for you guys because now I'm starting to see the signs of that. New people coming into the markets that are making good money by being lucky and not actually trading the markets, right? Because you guys know, right? Trading the markets long-term successfully, not just, oh, I jumped on a big bull market and I'm the man. It's like trading the market successfully is not about that, right? Trading the market successfully is about, how do you benefit from a bull market? How do you benefit from when the market's going down as well too, right? Looking for the opportunities, knowing what to look for opportunities, right? And that's how you truly trade the markets, right? And on a much more professional way. And that's where, like with me, I'm with my clients every day, not only one, to show them what I'm doing in the markets, but secondly, to show them the setups that are coming. Like right now, guys, there is at least one stock in the markets that I'm noticing anyway through my research, that it's got the setup, and if it does give me my confirmation candle to enter, this has a probability of potentially being my next massive home run trade. Now, massive home run trade. It has the potential, right? There's no guarantees, we know that. But my question for you is that long-term successful trading is all about understanding how to recognize that on the charts, right? And so, when I talk about massive home run, we're talking about a minimum of a few 100% return, potentially up to 1,000% return and more, right? Generally once a year. Now, I haven't had one for a while now, but I'll generally get at least maybe 1 or 2 trades that do that 1,000% return in a year. Now, I didn't get one last year. I just didn't capitalize on that. But the year before, I had two. I had 2 trades that did over 1,000% return. And that was about 4 weeks being in these trades, utilizing options. But it's the same thing. It's the same setup. It's being ready for those. So my question for you guys is that, one, if you are getting your ego involved right now, it's time to eject, run away. Right? Oh no, John. John, I've been trading the market for 2 months. Man, I know what I'm doing. Market's just going to keep going up, John. Right? And the market went up again today, right? Just slightly anyway. Especially the IWM is very, very strong. But looking at the markets, right? That's what it's about. But I don't want you to be lucky. I want you to be, what's the word for it? There's no luck, right? Because being lucky is like buying the stocks 3 months ago and look at you now. How are you going to go when the recession hits? How are you going to go when the stock market's down 50 to so % in the next recession? When it really does, how are you going to go then? Do you know what to look for in a down market? Do you even know what to look for in a really good setup? But that's what I'm saying. Like, it's important to do that, right? It's important to actually go down that path. Because I'm telling you right now, traders, as I told you before, there's a handful of trades that are really nice setups. There's one stock that I'm looking at right now, and I'm really hoping it does confirm, because it could be an incredible opportunity for me and my clients. I was actually sharing that exact stock with my clients today, because again, I'm with my clients every single day. Again, guys, if you're interested in joining that, where I'm not only showing you what I'm doing in the markets, but I'm also coaching you every single day, then second link in the description there. But the whole purpose of this video is the one to show you that right now I'm starting to see through my phone calls I'm having, the people that are brand new to the market coming into the markets. One, that's a sign of tops, right? Because it's new money coming into the markets. And 2, the new money is starting to become like, I've been trading the markets for 2 months, John. What can you teach me? You've been doing it for 20 years. And having that egotistical. Rest assured that conversation lasted about 15 minutes. And I didn't even offer him my coaching program, right? So, and because that's the thing, guys, like when you fill out the application form below, our first phone call, I don't offer you my coaching program straight away. I have to talk to you and then maybe go away and then think about it and then maybe schedule a second call with you. That's how I do my coaching, because I'm very, very selective of who I actually pick, right? And probably at least more than 50% of the time, I don't even offer a second phone call. Like just like this guy yesterday, I'm just like, man, okay, you're probably going to come to me in 12 months time frame because you're hurting, and then you're probably going to be then you'll be open to listen to me. So I'm just sharing this with you guys, that there is these indicators out there that I get to see as a content creator, especially through YouTube, especially, and then obviously talking to people every single day as well too on the phone. I get to see the barometer of what's going on right now. So it doesn't mean that the market's going to go down today or this week. The market is still definitely very, 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 very strong through here. Just looking at, it's still very, very, very strong. We're still at the high point, but I believe we're getting very, very close to that tipping point, as I've been talking about on my last few videos there. So anyway, traders, the contrarian indicator of greediness and all this sort of stuff, it's starting to come into play.